guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you all are doing amazing and having fun over there. I'm doing amazing too. So in this video, we are going to learn Quilling floral ring, which looks really great and it is awesome. And in case you love quilling rings, so I already have made a video on that. I'll put the link in the description so that you can learn that too. So guys, without wasting any single second, let's go. So guys, I'm here taking one 3mm strip and half white color strip and pasting them together using glue. Now I'm making a tight coil using my quilling slot. Once you are done with the tight coil, so make a loose coil of the tight coil and secure the ends and press the loose coil from the top and give it a teardrop shape. I have created some 8 to 9 more, and now I'm taking black 7mm strip and making fringes with using my scissor. So we have to make, so now we have to roll the fringe flower as well, because we are going to make a simple fringe flower. And guys, if you want to learn different kinds of fringe flower, so you can check my video out. Apply some glue on the edges and now open the fringes with using your thumb or fingers. So here we are done. So guys, what do we have to do? Just apply some glue all around the fringe flower so that you can paste your petals. So now we are going to assemble our flower petals. So now assemble all the flower petals like this, like I'm showing in the video. It is really easy, guys. So now we have pasted all the flowers and I have pre-cut this circle from a black paper, and now I'm going to paste it at the back of the flower. So paste like this so that you can attach your ring with the flower. So now I'm going to make a ring. I'm taking a container and wrapping my strip around it, applying some glue and just wrap it. And once you make, secure the ends of the glue. So secure the ends of the ring and apply some glue all around the ring as well. So now just we have to attach the ring with the flower. Apply some glue on the ring and attach the flower. and let it dry completely for some time. So guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that I made it interesting for you. And if you really liked watching this video, so please give this video a big fatty thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, or make sure that you click the bell icon for the latest updates. And guys, if you have any query or any suggestion for me, so please do write your views in the comment section. And guys, if you want to gift it to someone, so nothing could be better than this. So I'll meet you very soon with the next interesting topic. Until you keep learning, have fun.